Hi there, it's Kathy Barenski from the Costly Pearl in Baltimore, Maryland. Welcome. This morning I am working on a wreath to bring up to my shop. We're doing autumn, we're starting autumn, so I'm just doing this pretty little wreath and with some nice silk flowers on it. And do you guys ever get, most of the time don't like the leaves that come on my blooms. I just don't like those colors. So what I do oftentimes is I'll paint them out and just make them the shade that I want. So that's what I'm going to do. And then we're going to glue on some of these stems and I will show you how I do my beautiful little wreath. I got this ribbon that I absolutely love, love. So yeah, I just picked like burnt orange and some of these beautiful little blooms that are just really pretty. And I've been putting succulents in my wreaths lately and I love it, if you can see that. I'm going to just hold it up for you kind of so you can get an idea. So nothing is glued on there right now. So we'll put some of these painted leaves up around those white flowers. I have a few more of these little blooms to add in just to bring in those fall colors. And yeah, we'll put some ribbon on it. There we go. Now I think you can really see what I'm doing. So I'm going to just give these leaves a little spritz of water. We're just going to get right into it here. So if you can see this right here, this beautiful little air plant, I kind of wanted it to be more on that. So I think we'll go in with a little bit of skeleton key. Just did not want that bright, bright green, if you can see what I mean.
So I'm basically blending the four colors together, just giving different highlights on the tips. DIY paint is so highly pigmented, it's just wonderful to work with.
Before and after, see what you guys think. Before, pretty for summer, just that beautiful green, and here's after. So that is definitely what I was looking for. So skeleton key, fancy farm girl, or gypsy green, I mean, salty kiss, and a little bit of the apothecary. So I love it.
So as I said, I dry fit the blooms where I want them, just kind of poke everything in there, and then just get them glued in, starting with the base layer of the leaves.
Wrapping up the wreath, and I decided to get my easel so you could see the different perspective, and it really is smart if you do wreaths to any degree to either put them on the wall or put them on a easel. You know, the problem is I was at the shop today and I banged my thumb, you see that, with a hammer, and it really hurts. So my poor little thumb isn't cooperating. So again, let's try that again. We'll try it with that side better. Okay, fingers, boom. One side of the bow, okay? This is double-sided, so I don't have to worry about other side of the bow. Get them right about the same. And then we're going to make our little loop for the center. Okay. We are going to put our twine or wire or twine, otherwise known as wine, oh Lord, through the center and pull. Now, if you were doing the multi loops on each side, this is a really nice way to do it. So you can make that middle piece a little smaller if you think it's too big by just adjusting that. Just to have a little of that peeking out like that. Okay, I think that does it. Yeah. Crinkle that up a little bit like that. This one's nice. I could glue this into place. When I decide that everything's where it should be, I'll go ahead and get that bow a little better secured. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you that, yeah, I mean, you can paint all kinds of things with Deb's DIY paint. And I just think this came out pretty. I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, so check out my website, thecostlypearl.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do lots of videos on Deb's DIY-aGoGo, but I also have been populating my own YouTube channel, The Costly Pearl. So hey, thanks again, and I'll post this in my space when I get my space staged for my autumn vignette. And hey, thanks for being here, guys. God bless. Bye. So this is Summer Crush. Look how big it is. It's big and it's heavy. Summer Crush with a little bit of gypsy green peeking through. I did the first layer in gypsy green. I put on some crackle and then did the Summer Crush and then did a little bit of dark wax. Is that gorgeous or what? Yeah. Okay, that's that. Show and tell. We're gonna, well, I'm gonna show you a couple more things. I went to one of my favorite little vintage shops. And I sell these handbags in my space. So I have a mannequin. And so I got a couple of really cool vintage hats that are just gonna give a really nice touch to my space. So here's one of them. Oh my gosh, guys, how cool is that? With that black and white ribbon. And I got this black hat box. So I'll start building a vignette with these beautiful, beautiful things. And this is the other hat, which if this were alive, I would ask your opinion. This is the one that I absolutely adore. How cute is that? We'll do something like that. I've got, this place was having a 50% off sale on all of the vintage clothing. So I'm like, yeah. So I got these beautiful black gloves. They will go right there, the hat. And then this, I'm probably gonna tie, it's just a beautiful little piece of black lace. I'll tie that around something. I don't know. So that's what I'm doing. I love the black and the orange. And you know, we'll put some pumpkins around there and I'll hang my pocketbooks. I've got a new display for my pocketbooks. So now that I'm showing you this, I will post some pictures on either my YouTube, probably both my YouTube and Facebook page.